Everyone's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. So just go over to the right and go to Settings, then go to Device and Software and select this. And then we can scroll on down under here, go to About. Then go to where it says Check for Updates. And it looks like mine checked today actually for an update. And it looks like I don't need to update any of those. Now we can go back under here and we can go to our applications and we can update these as well. So just go over it and press the three lines and then we can go over to where it says more info. If we go to more info, this will bring us to this page right here where we can actually check for an update. So we can just open it up. Now if we had an update, it should say there's an update available and we will have to install that update. And we should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixTech.